It is a gaseous envelope that surrounds the Earth and is held in place by the gravitational force of the Earth. It is divided into 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Each layer has its own unique characteristics and features. The troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere, and it extends from the surface of the Earth up to 8 kilometers above sea level. It contains most of the atmospheric mass, about 75%, and all of the weather occurs here. Temperature decreases with altitude in the troposphere, which means that as you go higher, it gets colder. The air is also less dense at higher altitudes, so there is less air pressure. The next layer is the stratosphere, which extends from the top of the troposphere to 50 kilometers above sea level. It contains the ozone layer, which protects life on Earth from the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. In the stratosphere, temperature increases with altitude because of the absorption of ultraviolet radiation by the ozone layer. The third layer is the mesosphere, which extends from the top of the stratosphere to 80 kilometers above sea level. It is the coldest layer of the atmosphere with temperatures as low as -100 degrees Celsius. As an object enters the mesosphere, it slows down due to the thin, cold air. Most meteors burn up in the mesosphere. The fourth layer is the thermosphere, which extends from the top of the mesosphere to 600 kilometers above sea level. The temperature in the thermosphere increases with altitude due to the absorption of high-energy solar radiation. However, this temperature increase does not result in hotter weather. In fact, the thermosphere is so thin that it would feel very cold to the touch. The northern lights or aurora occur in the thermosphere. The outermost layer of the atmosphere is the exosphere. It is the transition layer between the atmosphere and outer space. The exosphere begins at the top of the thermosphere and extends all the way to about 10,000 kilometers above the surface of the Earth. The air is extremely thin in the exosphere, and most of the atmospheric gases have escaped into outer space. The boundary between the atmosphere and outer space is not a sharp one and is sometimes referred to as the von Karman line, which is located at 100 kilometers above the surface of the Earth. These 5 layers of the atmosphere are crucial for sustaining life on Earth. The atmosphere is mostly composed of nitrogen and oxygen, which are essential for respiration. It also contains trace amounts of other gases such as argon, carbon dioxide, neon, and helium. The atmosphere is held in place by the gravitational force of the Earth, which prevents it from floating away into outer space. The functions of the atmosphere include protecting the Earth from the sun's harmful radiation, regulating the Earth's temperature, providing oxygen for respiration, and removing waste gases. The atmosphere also plays a major role in weather and climate. The uneven heating of the Earth's surface by the sun causes convection currents in the atmosphere, which transport heat and moisture around the globe. This results in the formation of clouds, precipitation, and wind. The atmosphere also absorbs and scatters electromagnetic radiation, which is why the sky is blue and sunsets are red. Now let's look at some fun facts about the atmosphere. Did you know that the atmosphere is about 1,000 kilometers thick? This is enough space to fit 100 million Olympic-sized swimming pools. The atmosphere is constantly in motion with winds reaching speeds of up to 300 kilometers per hour. The highest recorded temperature in the atmosphere was 2,700 degrees Celsius, while the lowest recorded temperature was -100 degrees Celsius. The pressure in the atmosphere decreases with altitude, which means that if you were to climb to the top of Mount Everest, you would be able to breathe more easily. The atmosphere is home to the noctilucent clouds, which are the highest clouds in the world. They can reach altitudes of up to 85 kilometers and are only visible at night during the summer months. In conclusion, the atmosphere is a complex and dynamic system that is essential for life on Earth. It is divided into 5 layers, each with its own unique characteristics and features. The atmosphere performs many functions, including protecting the Earth from the sun's harmful radiation, regulating temperature, and providing oxygen for respiration. Understanding the atmosphere is crucial for predicting weather, climate, and other atmospheric phenomena.